Information and Mass Media and Constitutional Amendments and Revision of Codes. Game-changing. This is how we may describe his legislative agenda. And honestly speaking po, kinampanya ko po siya. I hope hindi po kayo magsawa sa pag-promote at pag-amend na ating Constitution for Federal Parliamentary System. Ayan po. He was awarded as Ambassador for Peace in 2007 during the Global Peace Festival in Manila. Before we welcome him, let's watch a short video. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our Honorable Senator Robin Padilla.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Bismillahi wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillahi. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah, asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings of peace. Alam nyo, ito na yata ang pinaka-holiest, healthiest, at pinaka-legal na dinner banquet na napuntahan ko. Siguro, kung ang buhay ko ay matatapos ngayong araw na to, sigurado sa langit po. Alam niyo po, nung pumunta sa akin yung official, kahapon, pumunta sila sa akin. They went to the Senate yesterday. I don't really I don't want to go. I want to be honest. You know, I'm an honest man. That's why people love me. I don't lie. When you went to the Senate, because we are deliberating the budget right now. It's the most important, and the intrigue is everywhere. Political parties are arguing each other because of this deliberation. So it is really very important for me to be there. But when I realized that I was once an ambassador of peace, I told my manager, I have to go. I have to go and congratulate those who will be awarded today. So let me mention their names again. The most holiest day of my life. First, Father Raul Benny Barcela. Congratulations. Bishop Joel M. Mazo. Bishop Romel Raful Maraya. Monsignor Joseph Perido Lalo. Reverend Father Amor Lagutin Etor. Reverend Monsignor Isagani G. Fabito. Punta naman po tayo doon sa mga healthiest. Dr. Marites Manalo Rio. Dr. Nancy T. Pascual. Education po kayo. Ito din pala ang pinaka-edukado. Pinuntahan ko. Dr. General Lucrecio G. Pinkian. Yes. Director General po ito. Sir, saludo ako. Military din pala tayo, sir. Gabi ito. Attorney Rodelio T. Dasquil. Attorney. NSA. Meron pa akong nakalimutan. Dr. Ann C. Lalo. I like the color of your hair. Golden. Honorable Mark Vincent Enriquez. Raimundo Jaime El Show on the third. Jonathan Q. Valdevarona. Nabati ko na po ba lahat? Isa na lang po.
Attorney Greg Tayona.
Ayun, attorney, ang ganda ng suot mo. Opo. Assalamualaikum, brother. Opo. Ba't wala dito si attorney? Ba't di mo nilagay dito? Sorry, attorney, ha?
No problem.
May utang ako sa'yo. Alam nyo, yun ang kabiling-bilinan sa akin dati ni dating presidente, Rodrigo Roman Duterte. Sabi niya, pag pupunta ka sa isang lugar, di ba rin huwag ka na magsalita, baka ano pa sabihin mo. Ang importante, batiin mo lahat yung tao para hindi ka nila makalimutan. Kaya babatiin ko din po lahat ng opisyal. Pasensya na po kayo. Bear with me. Una po, I would like to thank Honorable Eknat Dakal, sir. Thank you for going to the Senate yesterday. And of course your wife, Ma'am, Mrs. Dakal. Every great man, there's a woman in front. Not beside me. Or not beside the neck. Because my wife, she's always in front of me. Dr. Robert S. Kittle, sir. Very inspiring message, sir. You know, when I was still a civilian, not a politician, when I was still in peacemaking missions, that was the happiest day of my life. Now that I'm a politician, I'm sick, I'm sad, I don't have peace. That is why when our Vice President, the Japanese, when he was saying about the problems of our country with our territorial waters, yes, that is true. We have no peace right now because we have the Americans, we have different foreign nationals in our country because of this problem. And when you have this, you know, the so-called allies of us, that is one thing that we are afraid of. Not because they are our friends or something wrong with that. No. There's nothing wrong with that. Our foreign policy is everyone is our friend. Everybody is our friend. But the thing is, this is politics. When you're talking about geopolitical, it is a big problem for us. You know, the Philippines is a small country. We are, 7,000 plus islands. And we have the richest waters in the whole, maybe, in the whole world. We have the longest shoreline. So we have fish, we have oil, we have everything. But as you've said, We are still poor. And I wonder why. That's because of politics there. And the people of the Philippines, I think we are the most religious in Southeast Asia. But we began to forget about religion, and we all became experts in politics. You know, you just read the social media, everybody is a genius. Everybody has a comment. Everybody, you know, it's all politics in this country. That is why I am very happy that we have ambassadors of peace who will pursue religion. It's not about being a Christian or a Muslim or a Buddhist or a Hindu. It's not about that. It's just believing in God. We have to go back to God. If we will put our faith in men, it's not going to happen. I'm telling you.
True.
When I dream of being a politician, I thought I can do something. I can change something. But what can a one man do if everything around you, they don't want to change?
Right.
People in the Philippines, they are always, they're saying, we want change.
Yeah.
But we keep on electing the old one. How can you have change? And our brother here, he was mentioning about a new system of government. We are introducing a new system of government to change the old system, but nobody believes me. That is the problem. So the only solution for this country is we go back to God. He is the only way, and morality is the only way. And the most passionate youth that I've ever met, where's that guy? I love you, man. Yeah, totoo yan, ha? Kasi, you know, the youth right now in the Philippines, they are misled. They love politics so much that they don't understand even their history. But if only the youth of this country will go back to the Bible, or the Quran, the book of the Hindu, or the Buddhist, maybe we will have peace. Till believe me, it will never happen. So, my brothers and sisters who are my fellow ambassadors of peace, I'm with you with this fight. This is a fight. This is a fight between good versus evil. What we saw on your presentation, that we have to motivate our youth to be morally, number one, independent. When you say morally independent, they are so influenced by movies that are showing stuff that even me, just imagine me, Robin Padilla is shocked on how movies are made right now. That is wow. Because, you know, I'm the bad boy of the Philippine movies and I'm shocked. So, meaning to say, morality is really going down. So, sir, mom, I believe in you. So, when you need me, just call me. I'll be there. That what I said a while ago, I am also ambassador of peace. Thank you very much.
Very eloquent, very inspiring and hopeful. Our Senator Robin Padilla, thank you so much, sir, for gracing our occasion today with your presence.
Thank you, boss.
And now,